I built my own small cabin, 800 square feet. There's no room for a microwave in this small kitchen. You don't need one. Nothing healthy comes out of a microwave. We do all home cooking here on the homestead. It's much better for you. Another thing I did was I found an old sink. I know I don't have a dishwasher and I need to be doing a lot of stuff in the sink. So I wanted a big, good work sink. So I found this old sink and it works perfect in this small kitchen. We have a little freezer here and in my washing machine, I don't have a dryer. But the way I get around that is I have this shelf right here. So when I take the clothing out of the washing machine, I just hang it all up on this shelf to dry. It all dries very nicely, and then I transfer everything back into the big walk-in closet, leaving this open for the next load of clothes to dry. You just have to keep in mind what your needs are in your house, what your house needs to supply for you. A place to come in and get cleaned up, a place to cook a good meal, and a place to sit down and relax for a while. If you have those bases covered in your small house, you'll be happy.
Sign up for Becky's Homestead newsletter. Go to beckysHomestead.com and sign up on the right. You'll get articles, news, and specials from Becky every month. Unsubscribe anytime, no spam.